Have you ever wondered about the escalating prevalence of diabetes in today's society? A significant reason behind this is the unhealthy lifestyle and food choices that have become quite common. To keep this condition in check, it's crucial to pay special attention to your diet. But did you know, there are also some home remedies that can help control sugar levels? Let's delve into some of these effective remedies. Step 1. Turmeric. Packed with medicinal properties, turmeric is a lifesaver against many diseases. Curcumin, found in turmeric, aids in reducing diabetes. Moreover, turmeric possesses anti-inflammatory properties that help combat various health issues. You can incorporate turmeric into your diet in numerous ways. Step 2. Fenugreek. Fenugreek is nothing less than a herb for diabetes patients. High in fiber, it improves the level of blood sugar. If you're a diabetes patient, ensure to drink fenugreek water every morning on an empty stomach. This simple routine can provide relief from the problem of diabetes. Step 3. Basil leaves. Basil leaves are a cure for many ailments. They are rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, antioxidants, and antibiotics, which protect the body from various issues. Basil leaves help control blood sugar. You can include basil tea in your diet. Step 4. Cinnamon. Cinnamon has antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal properties. It contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Cinnamon can help reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. Step 5. Cloves. Cloves are filled with medicinal properties. Not only do they enhance the taste of food, but they are also beneficial for health. Cloves are a rich source of manganese and have anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. They are helpful in controlling blood sugar. Drinking clove water can help control blood sugar. Step 6. Cumin. Cumin is extremely beneficial for diabetes patients. It not only makes food delicious, but also helps in warding off many diseases. It aids in increasing insulin production in the body, which controls blood sugar. For this, you can drink cumin water every day on an empty stomach. In conclusion, these home remedies can be a great addition to a balanced diet and regular exercise routine, aiding in the control of diabetes. Remember, prevention and control go hand in hand. Regular monitoring of sugar levels can help you stay on top of your health and lead a healthy, happy life. Remember, the advice and suggestions mentioned in this article are for general information purposes only and should not be construed as professional medical advice. Always consult your doctor for any questions or concerns.